how to assemble standing fan. Here is new fan. Let's we need to put stand together like this. And use this cup on this stand. In a guidebook is how to fix or put together this all fan. Open all screws, and then they put and then they open this one, and then put this one on, and this one back on, just a little bit, and then we put this one on, and this one goes like up, and then we put these screw together. That's screw done, and this will go here like this. So that's the standard. Then we have to take this screw out, and this one take a little bit off, and this one go here. Make a normal tight, and then this one go here. So that fit for now, I think so. Then we tie this one in. This now it's tight. Make good tight so it's not fall down. So that's good tight. And I think that's good tight. Now we do top part. You need to turn this one clockwise. And then this nut out. And then you have two bars, one this one and one this one. So this one hold. So this one got back side. And you know how to make a right place. This part always go on top up. And here it's gonna through these two holes and one of this one. Okay, that's good now. So now I put this nut bolt back on. So make it tight, and then put the fan this one, and then you should match that pin and that side cut match to this pin. So they go lock, and then this one go anti-clockwise and stop in, and then turn this tight. Okay, that's done. Now time to put this one on back, and this one also has one nut bolt here, which is you need to open it. For this one go bottom. And bottom side we have to match holes in here, and I put nut in and tight nut bottom. Nut bolt, then make all rounds and then lock in one here. Then it's all shaped together. That's good. So then lock these small locks. This one and this one. So that's all good. Your fan is ready now. If you need to turn down, then just go click. And then this is here speeds. So let's see how it's working. This is ready, and I plug it. Let's see, it's gonna start. There you go. Our fan is working, and this is for turn left, right, off, and this on. So that's all. So please subscribe my channel and see you in next video. Thanks.